Today in this video we will see what to do if you are receiving duplicate text messages in your iPhone. So we will go to settings, we will go to notifications, messages, and we will go to repeat alerts and make sure that it is always once, not twice or thrice. So after you have done the settings, we will again go to the settings option. We will scroll down, go to messages. Now if you have activated iMessages, what you do is toggle it off and then again toggle it on. So once you enable and disable the iMessage again, check if the issue of receiving duplicate text messages is fixed or not. Now sometimes this issue might not be caused because of a problem in your iPhone, but it might be caused because of the service provider. So if these things does not fix the issue, then what you do is you contact a service provider and check if they can fix the issue. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.